Hello? Oh!
Awesome! Maya!
Hello everyone!
Alright, so thank you Mike, thank you Maya for coming to my video today. We are going to make decadent brownie with cream and berries. Mike is going to make cream. I and Maya are doing the brownie, and you know what, because of this recipe is very fast, so that's why we are using already made brownie mix, and this is totally keto compliant, so I will post this link below the video. But if you want to make brownie from the scratch, I will post another video with mug cake, the chocolate version, so you can use this for this recipe as well. So let's get started. Mike, do you know? Mike, do you know how to beat that cream?
Yes, of course.
Yeah,
of course.
easy.
First
easy.
time, by the way.
It's easy.
It's gotta be simple, right?
It's going to be simple, so.
It is so simple that it is my second take, by the way. So I already poured the cream. I have my magic device, and now you tell me how I start
I
it.
know how to start it.
Hold on.
But no.
All right.
Alright, yeah. Just a second. Make sure that this is secure. And also, I will, according to the packaging, we need to preheat it to oven to, Maya?
350 degrees.
Fahrenheit, yes. So let's
They're
do
gonna
it.
break it.
No, I'm not gonna break it.
Okay, Maya.
It's all good.
So
All right, who's
just-
ready?
maybe we can start first, Mike. Can you wait for a second? So we
Sure.
will. All right. So Maya, can you put this
Put the
here?
chip in there.
This is the brownie mix.
Can I do all of it?
Yeah. So yeah, wow.
It's snowing.
And there are some.
So round.
Chocolate
It's
strips.
raining.
Okay.
I thought there was a brownie in there.
Then we are adding the melted butter.
That almost splashed on me.
Okay.
That looks like mountains, actually.
Yeah. And then Maya, crack the egg. Okay.
Uh-oh.
So first, maybe you can
I'm bad at cracking
crack here.
eggs.
Just first start here, like to crack here first. Najpierw tutaj wiesz. Aha.
OMG.
It's okay. And then.
You do that one.
All right.
No.
One.
I will not
Can you
myself.
help
I'm
me
good
with
at it.
another? Okay, Mike is doing. All right.
Can I do
Okay.
it, Maya?
Oh.
Hello? Oh!
Awesome, Maya.
My fingernail. What in the world happened?
That's awesome. So,
That is not what
That
I
was awesome, man.
did.
Mike is. You can. I think right now you can beat the
All
cream.
right.
And Maya, can you just mix together all
And
ingredients?
this is love, guys.
This is the
Love.
love. Love is in the air. Okay.
All right, who's ready?
Okay.
I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you.
Whoa.
I'm faster than you.
Okay.
All right, who's gonna be first? Come on!
I'm good.
Come on!
You can speed up the process.
Woo! Yup, yes,
I'm
papi.
doing it, boy.
And also we will, right? So we will cut the
No,
strawberries.
I'm supposed to do hoof because I didn't
Okay, do
have
who?
anything.
Do who?
Okay. And let's continue the process.
Okay.
Okay, now?
I did it normally on my own.
Am I supposed to just wait?
Nie, możesz dalej. Aha. Okay. So, the cream is ready. Strawberries
This
are...
makes me hungry.
Oh yeah, hungry. Hungry for the desert. Okay, so Mike, if you can put
Desert?
this over here. This is the piping bag, and this is the easiest way to then make a beautiful decoration. And I found it putting the stuff in a tall jar makes the job easier.
Oh my god, that looks pink.
Alright, so Mayush, let's continue to cut our strawberries. Okay.
If you want, we can fast forward.
No.
If this is taking too long.
That's okay.
Gonna fast forward in 3, 2, 1.
And I'm so happy because Mike is making some desserts for
No,
with
we're
us.
fasting forward.
I'm happy too.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, we have already everything prepped here. And Maya, let's put our brownie here.
All right.
Okay. Okay. And then Mike, you just need to
Hold on.
just
Hold
the best way is just like
on. Yeah.
okay. And
Oh yeah, that's where the frosting's
Okay,
gonna
and-
be.
oh my goodness, this is so Maya. Alright, okay. O, Mija, nie rób tak.
No.
Masz tylko zostawić. Zostaw to. Boże.
Jesus.
No, he doesn't know what to do. We just need to chill this, Michał, in the freezer.
Don't do that.
Okay, so can you put this in the freezer? We need to chill this.
Freezer?
No. Okay, so, okay, poczekaj tu.
Refrigerator.
So, Mike already. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, just put this in the freezer. Just put in the
Freezer?
Refrigerator.
And Mike, poczekaj, Mike, ja to muszę.
Okay, I'm going.
All right.
to stay here.
And we will bake our brownie for 25 minutes. And poczekaj, może jeszcze chwilę. So let's just spread it evenly.
Wow, that looks like a painting and you hurt yourself with dirt. That is dirt. That looks like dirt.
Alright, so I am putting this in the oven and we will see you in 25 minutes. Our brownie is ready, so now it's fun part. Everyone will make own dessert, so I will cut my brownie, our brownie, in pieces.
That's a giant brownie.
Uh-huh.
And now it's tiny, like little squares.
Okay, so we can use our brownie and berries and cream. All right. You can decorate the way you like. It's important to have fun with it. So I think everyone is ready.
Ready?
And you know, I think it's good time for toast. So instead of champagne, we use our stevia. We will put some raspberry on the bottom. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. We had a lot of fun making this video. Thank you so much you for being in my video, and we wish all of you a very nice and wonderful Valentine's Day. So if you like my channel, my content, please subscribe and put thumbs up.
I wanted you to say subscribe, like, and comment if you made it and if you liked it.